We actually have named, in the state of Oklahoma, November as Men's Health Awareness Month. The reason we are partnering with Movember is because they have a history and legacy of helping with men's health awareness. We are really focusing on 4 pieces: the prostate cancer, testicular cancer, men's suicide, and men's health awareness. So the first way of serving is, of course, to grow your mustache out so that people ask you the question about why you're doing it. You can also run for Movember and track your dates and times. You can go, if you want to do nothing else, and just go and do a health check. Post up on social media and say, I went and did this, who's willing to join me? And of course, you can raise money for the Movember Foundation, which is a wonderful 501c3 partnered out of California. Men are dying before their time. They're dying way too early for preventable causes. Right now, in the United States, we have 1 in 3 men that have high blood pressure. 3 out of 4 men are dramatically obese to overly obese, like the next scale up. We are 17% more likely to get cancer than our women counterparts. These are things that can be caught early, can be kept, can be treated. They do not have to be lethal. So if we can just convince men to go and get their annual checkups, if we can convince our women to convince the men, if we can convince our children to convince the men that their health matters, then we can deal with some of the health issues. Movember is all about changing the face of men's health and raising awareness of the issues that are facing them.